have of time. Just put it away. Everything. And I want you to take out your rough work notebook because today you don't have the English sheets. Do you have English sheet? I'm sure you don't. Okay. So today we are going to work on the board. You have to look at this and you have to work. So take a minute to unclog like all the signs from your head and come back to something very different and very interesting. Okay. Let me tell you, today we are taking up a very, very different topic. Okay. Any guesses? It is something related to online. What could it be? Any guess? Something related to you being online. What do you think? What would it be? Any guesses? From Karl Marx, any guesses? Just think about things and then we can, like, you will come to the, yes. I can see there is a hand raised, like in one of the classrooms. Anyone? Okay. Not interested in telling me? Today is something which you will all like. Okay. It is something which you will all like. But there's something of your. So we have, you all know this. Okay. How many of you know about social media? How many? Yes, from Plato. Okay, Tolstoy. Middle row, second bench. The girl sitting there on my right. Can you please get up and tell me what is social media? What is social media? Get up, Ate. Okay. Yes, there are children who want to answer in Tolstoy. Yes, the boy at the last bench. Yes, get up. Everybody, I'm sure you all know this term, social media. All of you are aware of this term. Each one of you know it.
Where people put videos of and people use it as an entertainment purpose.
Okay. So he's saying there are like, when you go online, you talk. Yeah. And there is basically, he's using the word entertainment. Yeah. Okay. So we use social media for entertainment. What else can we use it for? Social media. Anyone from Plato? Yes, I can see a hand, hesitant hand raising. Yes, Vite, come forward. Aja, that boy. Yeah, that girl, yes. Oh, Aja, that girl. I saw a boy also raising a hand, so that's why I called. What is another thing? Why you will like, one is that we get entertained. Yes, lot of entertainment. Second, what is second? Yes, beta, that girl who wanted to answer. You can tell me what is the other thing which we can do on social media? Okay. Where is that girl gone? Bacha, I can't hear you. You haven't spoken. Let me come back to this boy in Tolstoy. He wants to give me another answer also. Aajo beta, aap bhi aajo. And that girl, please answer. Yes, beta, bolo.
Ma'am, there are several uses of internet. We can use for study purposes, entertainment purposes, or calling or messaging someone in a short period of time.
Okay. So basically,
Remain aware about things around us.
एक और बात. social media is used through internet, but it is not internet. Okay, internet is something completely different. These are platforms. Listen to the words. These are platforms. Okay, this is how you will gather a great vocabulary. So these are platforms on which you can go with the help of using internet. You cannot go on it without internet. So internet is a completely different thing. So here we are using social media platforms. There are different platforms where we can have entertainment, we can gather information. It can be information regarding anything you're learning. It can facilitate learning. It can facilitate learning. Please write down these words. It can facilitate learning. Then you can communicate. You can communicate. Communication, ये एक बहुत बड़ा platform है for communication. Okay, so communication can be done. Okay, what else can we do? What else can we do? Yes, I can see that boy in Tolstoy, he's raised his hand again. Aajo beta, aajo, फटाफट आओ. Good, good, good. Very good. आओ बच्चे.
We can do advertisement of any product.
That is like, you can do business. Well, business, you can, like for business में आएंगी ना advertisement. So this is a part of that. Okay, we have like so many. You can publish things like, you write a book, you can publish on that. You write an article, you write blogs, you write like so many things you can do, and you can put them on the social media. Karl Marx, the boys in the class, Karl Marx, I can only see them talking. Okay, that boy in the middle row, Karl Marx. Karl Marx. In the middle row, that boy who just moved his seat. Can you please stand up, beta? Idhar aao. Come here. I have a very interesting question for you. Okay, can you tell me one social media where you can communicate with your family and friends? I'm giving you the simplest question. Where you can communicate with your family and friends. One social media.
Ma'am, WhatsApp.
Yes. Can you give me one more? Can you give me one more? Most common one. Yes.
बापू लोग ना करूँ मैं phone call.
I'm asking about a social media. Okay. So everybody, I'm sure many of you know about it. I don't know how many of you are on this platform because you're too young to go on any social media platform except I think WhatsApp. Let's see. This topic has been specifically chosen for three things. First is, obviously, I want you to become, because it is a part and parcel of our lives at present. We can't do without it. So I want you to understand social media very well. Second, understanding it, awareness. Awareness of what to use when and how. Okay, because you're growing up and I'm sure you must be eager to go on social media. And third is, social media is not always fun. It can bring a lot of problems also. So we have to be very careful. So awareness and what are the things you have to keep in mind so that you do not get trapped in problems. Okay. So all these things will be shown to you or given to you. We'll have this in 3 different lectures, 3 different classes. Okay. So first awareness. What is social media? As I told you, it is not internet. Internet is completely something. It is a tool. Internet is a different thing. Here, social media is a platform. Okay. And they are 2 very separate things. Now let's move on. Okay. If we move this. Okay. These are 16 social media logos. Who will tell me which one is which? The first one. These are the logos and these are the names here. This is not Viper. This is Viber. Let me make a correction here. Okay. This is Viber. Okay. Who will tell me which social media is this? The first one. I knew that you would know this. And only Tolstoy is raising their hands. Very good. Middle row, first bench, this girl. Aja beta, first one. Middle row, first bench. Come.
Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram. Okay, I will request your teachers to give you the worksheet later on. The second one, everybody uses it. You all use it. Okay, Militus. Don't tell me you don't know about this. Yes, I can see a hand raised. Aja. Militus. I can see a hand raised. If you're shy of answering, don't bother. Okay? Don't even worry. Nobody is judging you. Yes. Is anybody coming from Militus? Then I'll call from Karl Marx. Karl Marx, on my left, there is a boy who's like shaking his hand like this. Aja. I can't see you, but I can see your hand. Jaldi ho, beta, you're wasting my time. We have a lot to do. The second one is, what is it? It's YouTube. Yes, it's YouTube. Next one. Everyone uses it. Every single Plato, a girl who has raised her hand sitting at the back. Aja, come. Jaldi se aao. The faster you move, more we can finish. Very good. I'm going to make this so interesting. You would not even wait to talk. You would be jumping out of your seats to talk. Yes. So this is
Facebook.
very good. How many of you are there on Facebook? How many of you? You shouldn't be though, but I'm sure you people are there on Facebook. Next is Viber. Have you heard about this? Viber? People who have relatives abroad. I'm sure they talk on this. Yes, Karl Marx, middle row, second bench. Aja. Come. Yes, the girls, both the girls can come. One of you can tell me about this and one of you can tell me about anyone you know. Anyone. This is?
WhatsApp.
This is what?
Sixth one.
Sixth one. This one, yes. WhatsApp.
Eighth Snapchat. खट्टा जा जिन्हें भी नॉलेज में बोल
Snapchat. Very good. Okay. Now, and this one is Viber. This one is Viber. Okay. I made a correction here. Next. Okay. Who will tell next? This one and this one. ये तो बहुत simple. Everybody should know. Everybody should know. Yes, Tolstoy. On my right, that boy has raised his hand. Aja, come. Come. Yes, the boy sitting at the fourth bench. Ajo, come. Yes, who just turned around. Jaldi jaldi आओ. आओ बच्चे. Tolstoy, you raised your hand. I called you out and you're just sitting there. Anyone from Karl Marx interested to answer? Anyone from militaries? Aja. Tolstoy, come out. Come out. All the boys have raised their hands. Sitting on the first bench and last bench. On my right. Sitting on the first bench, the boy who has raised hands. Tolstoy. Probably sitting on the second bench. Aja. Yes, Aja. You're on the I come here whether you're sitting on the first bench or second bench. You raise your hand. Tolstoy, there were two boys at the last bench. They raised their hand. Dono aa jao. On my right. On my right. My right. Aa jao.
Google Plus में
Okay. What is it? This I'm sure many of you don't. It is like a very important platform where business people or people who want to network for their jobs, they will put their things here. So Tolstoy, last bench, that boy who has raised his hand, aa jao, fatafat aao. On my right. On my right. Yes. Quick, faster. Yes. Hello. I'm ready for the answer. This one is LinkedIn. Okay, this is a very important for all business people. I'm just writing in this form. Okay. N. So here you create a profile and post your resume, and people who are looking for candidates, they will approach you, and then they can fix your, lot of people get jobs from here. Okay. So this is like a work-oriented, a business profile where you create, like, for job opportunities and stuff like that. So here we have, what is this? What do you think it is like here? ये भी नहीं पता, ये तो पता होगा सबको. आ जाओ. Tolstoy, all the children who have raised their hands, they can come out. आ जाओ, come out. On my right, that boy who has raised hand in Tolstoy, come out. And in Tolstoy, in the middle row, the girls who have raised their hand, you also come out. आ जाओ. The girl who had raised her hand in Tolstoy. Bache, why did you go back? Did I tell you to go back? Unbelievable. You came out, give your answer. Why do you have to go back? I'm calling her for another answer. She will give me another answer. Which one? This one? Okay. It's being moved. Yes. Okay. This one, everybody knows. Lot of people know this. Yes. Tolstoy, bete, aa middle row, those girls, the girl sitting at the end who raised her hand, aa come fast. Tolstoy. Who knows this one can also come? Okay, Karl Marx, middle row. This is which one? Karl Marx, middle row. That boy. Which one is this? This is Twitter. Okay, very, very common and very, very popular. Twitter. Which one is this? This is, I think, so not in India. It is banned, but you must know it. Yes. Okay, Karl Marx, middle row, fourth bench. That boy who raised his hand. Fourth bench. Karl Marx, middle row. Yes.
TikTok.
TikTok. Yes, TikTok. Okay, here this one. This is my favorite one. I really like it. Which one? Yes, the girl in Plato. Girl in Plato. At the back, she's sitting on the side. Please come out. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, please come out.
Ma'am, Pinterest.
Very good. Pinterest. So it is Pinterest. This one. This one, anybody knows about this? This is Telegram. This is Telegram. Ye and ye. Batao. And this is, few are left. So this is Tumblr. And the last one is, this one is WeChat. Okay, so we have WeChat here. So this is Tumblr and this is WeChat. So these are some very, very important platforms. This is not internet. These are platforms which you can go on these platforms with the help of internet. If you don't have internet connection, you cannot go. Okay, you cannot go. So they use internet is like a tool. They use the tool, internet tool, to go on these platforms. And these platforms are all social medias, but they have different purposes. Okay, they have different overlapping purposes, but different purposes. Okay, so here we move on to the next one. Let me see how much do you know about this. Okay. Now, tell me, what is tweet? Can you find the answer here? What is tweet? Yes. Karl Marx, I can see a hand raised. Middle row. Aaja fatafat aao. What is tweet? What is tweet? Answer. Who will give me? Karl Marx, you raised your hand. Why aren't you coming? Aaja jaldi. Middle row, that boy who has raised his hand. Yes.
Ma'am, D option.
D, something you post. Okay, so I'm writing the first option here. This is, and I use a different color pen. That will make it more interesting. Okay, so this is number one. Okay, yes. So because it is Twitter, you tweet on it. Okay, when you post a message or post something, a picture or anything, that is called a tweet. You tweeted. Okay, so this is for something on Twitter. And why I have written this? Because this is a noun and a verb. Most of the time, this word is a noun. You know, and tweeting is like when the birds call out, and it can be used here. It is used as a verb. Okay, because you're doing an action, you're posting something. So wherever I've written V and N, so first it is a noun, then a verb. This is a verb, but it can also be a noun. It is a noun, it is a verb, and used as a noun too. Disadvantage is a noun. This is an adverb. This is a noun. This is a noun. This is a noun. So you should know. Noun is the name of a thing. Okay? Noun is the name of a thing. See, this is how if you remember things, your vocabulary will shoot like anything. I'm promising you. But you have to really collaborate with me. You have to really cooperate with me. Okay, regret. You know what is regret. So you will find the answer very quickly here. Who will answer? Karl Marx, middle row, that girl who has raised her hand. Jaldi se aaja bachche. Aaja. So what is regret?
Want to change something you did in the past.
Yes. So it is used in that. It is a verb because it's an action, but it is a noun. It is here used as a noun because it is something like, you are regretting something you did in the past and you don't like it. So post something. Where is the answer now? So it is the same one. Okay. So second one. Very good. Blog. How many of you do any diary writing? Do you do any like diary writing, journaling or diary writing? It's a good habit. You should do. Okay. Like whatever happened in the day, if you have a special day, at the end of the day, just write it. Like, write it down. In this way, you will be able to express yourself in a very amazing manner. There will nobody there to disrupt your thoughts. Just do it. Okay. It's a very good way. So this is like, what is a blog? Blog is like, where you express your opinions, where you write your articles, where you write. It is a digital diary, you can say. It's a digital diary. Yes, I can see a girl raising hand in Karl Marx. Aaja bachche, come out. How fatafat. I don't know how the cameras have been set because I can't see half of the classrooms. I can't see the children. ये कैमरा कंट्रोल दो मुझे. Militants, अपना camera control दो please, because I am unable to see the whole class and I don't even know what's happening. सो रहे हैं बच्चे. Here, middle row, somebody is sleeping and I don't want that. Wake up, wakey. Not a good thing. Okay, बच्चे, you came up. Would you give me the answer for blog? I just gave you the answer, I must say. I said it's a digital diary. Yes. So, what is it?
Option E.
Option E, discussion or informational, often with diary style content. Yes. So don't say content here. Here we have content. Content is like, when you write something, when you put something together and present. It is called content, and content is jab aap satisfied hote ho. So spelling is same, pronunciation is different. And you should know where to use content and where to use content. So here it is content. Okay, when you post content. But hello, militants, you're not paying attention and I don't know how I switch cameras. You people are not paying any attention. It's a very, very, very bad thing. Okay, next one. See, these are the words you will come across on social media, and I am sure you want to be very well aware of everything. Nobody likes to stay like a fool. Okay, you want to know the words and the lingo and the language used on this, and I'm sure you will learn this well. Okay, anyone for the next one? Waste. Everybody knows what is wasting. When you do something and it doesn't work out, you feel, oh my God, I wasted. Okay, Karl Marx. On my left, there is a girl who raised the hand. First bench. Aja. On my, yes, this girl. Come. Waste.
Ma'am,
Yeah. H. See, earlier I'm not saying anything. H was used, but it is H. The sound is H. Okay. So we say H. So here we have H here. So this is your fourth one. And I'll appreciate if you read the whole thing. Use your time in a way that is useless, not productive. Okay? So you have wasted your time. Next is disadvantages. Disadvantages. What is disadvantage? Anyone will tell me? These are the advantages you must be doing in science, English, so many. These are the advantages. These are the disadvantages. Oh, Plato suddenly woke up. Very good. Okay. Boys on the first bench. First bench, that boy who raised his hand. Ajo. There are 4 boys sitting. The third one. Or the second one. The one who's tucking his shirt in and pulling at his belt. Ajo beta. Plato. So what is disadvantages? What are they good things, bad things? What are they?
Factor.
Yes?
C option.
Yeah, so read out the whole thing.
Negative factor or bad thing.
Yes, so this is the negative factors. And always pay attention to how I speak, okay? Because we want to somehow mitigate or lessen our Punjabi accent in English, okay? And please do that. Don't feel, even I am a Punjabi from a Punjabi speaking family, purely Punjabi, but I have learned how to speak with not that Punjabi heavy accent. So please, you all also learn it, okay? Because when we go out into the world, we should have a negative, like neutral accent, okay? No accent should dominate our language. And when we learn a language, I think so we should learn it very well. So spoken, written, everything. Listening, speaking should be wonderful. Yes, I can see someone already raising hand. Karl Marx, last bench on my left. Ajo, next one. Abroad. Abroad. I'm sure you all know the meaning of abroad. I'm visiting abroad. Yes? A. Read out the whole thing.
In a foreign country, not in your country.
Yes, you are in a foreign country, not in your own country. So you're abroad. Okay, very nice. Next, meme. It's a meme. आजकल memes बहुत चलते हैं. Like, you know, suddenly you get and people are like, on the social media, we have these kind of like, you know, more emoticons with them and all that. So, like, we know what they are. Everybody knows. Okay, Tolstoy is happy today. They want to answer. Okay, yes, the boy who stood up. Ajo bachche. Meme.
Image or piece of text often funny and spread by.
Yes, it's meme. Okay, so this is the 8th one. So image or piece of text often funny and spread by internet users. So बोलते हैं बहुत, this meme is viral. This is viral. What does that mean? Okay, we have to learn that also. Feature. A feature. What is a feature? Okay, what is a feature? हम ये आईफोन खरीद रहे हैं तो हम उसके फीचर्स देख रहे हैं. So what is a feature? हम कोई भी फोन ले रहे हैं, like we are buying something, कोई भी चीज, whatever we are buying, we look at the features. नहीं तो हम क्यों लेंगे? Why will we buy? Why will we spend so much money on something if उसके हमें features पसंद नहीं है? Okay. Yes, Minitus, middle row, first bench. Come boy. What are the features?
I option.
Which one? I.
I option.
Okay. So here we have I. Component, something added as a special. Why? When they have, we say, we have a new iPhone in the market. Why do we have a new iPhone? Okay. Why will people spend so much money? 17 क्यों लेंगे if they don't have some added features in it? Okay. And when things are updated, they add more features in it. Okay, so features are like components which will make things even better and attractive and like more saleable. So हमारे features improve होते रहते हैं. So this is how we have finished this. Okay, a picture representing a facial expression. यहाँ पे कौन सा वाला आएगा? Okay, यहाँ पे दिया ही 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, emoticons. Emoticons or emojis. सबको पता है? Yes. Okay. Someone from Plato, boy sitting on the first bench, busy talking. Come here and talk. Yes. Now he's looking everywhere except getting up. First bench, second boy. Stand up. Stand up. One in turban. Yes. Come out. Come out. What are emoticons or emojis? I really don't like when you don't show any interest in learning. There's something you all are interested in, but you still don't want to learn. What is it? What is emoticons or emojis? Could you
G
please-
option.
Which one?
G option.
Okay, read out. G option. Read out.
A picture representing a facial expression. Example, smile.
Smiling. Okay. Okay, so you have this eighth one. Okay, so a picture representing a facial expression. Example, a smile. Okay, so we call them smileys also. Okay, we have different, but we have emoticons are emotions. Emoticons are emotions. So little symbols giving different emotions. They are called emoticons. Here. So we move on to the next one today. Here. Yes. Who will tell me what is this? I have the same few children raising hands. What about the rest? I thought everybody knows these answers. Okay. Okay, Tolstoy, middle row, girl on the second last bench, Ajo, come out. And Karl Marx, boy in the middle row, come out. Yes. And even Tolstoy, the boy on my right, come out, who has raised his hand. So one of you can tell me about this, one of you can tell me about this. Yes. I want only one person at a time. One person at a time. One person at a time. So what is this? If I send this to you, what will you understand from this picture? Sadness. Okay? Sad.
Person is and he.
Yes. I can hear background talking, but I cannot hear what you're trying to tell me. Yes, the first one. Yes, that little girl whom I called. Would you tell me?
He is suffering from cold because he is sick. So that's why he is sneezing.
No, sorry. This is like somebody is like crying like this. So ये आंसू है. This is the tear. Okay, sadness. But यहाँ पे moderate sadness है. थोड़ा दुखी है. Okay, not like बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी नहीं है. So it is like moderate. अगर थोड़े दुखी हो तो you can send this. Thank you, beta. You came up and answered. Doesn't matter. Sometimes even our answers are not right. It's okay. This one, that boy I called. What is this? If I give you a thumbs up sign, what does it mean? A thumbs up sign.
I'm done.
Yes. It can be done. It can be well done. It can be good. Okay. And what else it can be? Good to go. Okay. Good to go. It can be so many things, but all positive. Good to go. You can ask, like, you can ask your teacher, ma'am, can I do this? And if I say this, yes, good to go. Okay. So this is like finished, done, well done, good, well done, good. This is like good to go. This is a soft smile. So what does it mean? A soft smile. Who will answer? आ जाओ. जल्दी से आ जाओ. Plato. I can see 2 hands raised. दोनों आ जाओ दौड़ के. I had invited another girl, I think so. Where is she now? जल्दी से आ जाओ. वो गर्ल कहाँ गई? बैठ गई फिर से. खड़ी हो जा. आ जा. एक तो कंफ्यूजन बहुत रहता है.
Happy or smile?
Yes, this is like happy. Yeah, कुछ अच्छा हुआ है. Or you will say nice, like something nice has happened to you. So you have a nice smile on your face. Okay. So we have to learn a lot from these emoticon languages. We can't keep sending emoticons जिनकी हमको समझ नहीं है. Okay, जिनको हमें पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि क्या, like what is it going to tell, and sometimes it can miscommunicate also. And here we have the 4th one. Somebody is winking and smiling, and there is an eyebrow raised. So what can be the emotion when you wink and smile with your friend, and you have like something like that expression? So what can it be? I want that particular typical word. कौन देगा मुझे? आ जाओ फटाफट. Someone. Militus? Yes, I can see a hand raised in Militus. जल्दी से आ जाओ. This is like, what can you see? Like an eye winking, smile, and eyebrows raised. 3 things. What could it be? What could it indicate? Okay. Playfulness. So it can indicate playfulness. Some mischief. Some mischief. मस्ती. किसी की लेग पुलिंग. किसी की लेग पुलिंग कर रहे हो, like किसी की छेड़ रहे हो, किसी को मजाक कर रहे हो. So that is called leg pulling. So today I think so the time is up. We have one more module in this which we'll do in the next class, and then we will talk about awareness. Okay, what is awareness? Like which mediums to use when, what mediums to go. Think about your safety and how you should not get trapped in problems and issues, and what kind of languages to use. And then 3rd one, we will conclude with lots of discussions. I hope you all had a good class and you enjoyed it. Did you enjoy the class? Did you like it? Nobody's answering me. I think so, yes. I'm sure you people liked it. Yes. Okay, if you liked it, just raise your wave to me. Wave it to me, because something you will all interested in. Very good. I know, and it is very important to know all these things. They might look nothing, but they mean a lot. Okay? Have a good day. Spend your day well. And be safe all the time. हाँ, आ जाओ आज. ठीक.